Every child who walks through our doors carries a story and a future. At Hope International Schools, we believe education isn't just about what happens in a classroom. It's about the whole child, their minds, their hearts, and their health. Right now, our students are fed every day through the dedication of our staff, but we're doing it with 2 single-burner stoves, a hot plate, and 3 crock pots. That's it. For an entire school full of kids who depend on us for a nutritious meal each day. These children already face so much. We don't want hunger or the distraction of it to stand between them and the future God has planned for them. We have a vision for what this kitchen can become. A real, fully equipped space where our students receive the nourishment they need to thrive. A kitchen worthy of the calling this school carries. When a child is well fed, they can focus, they can learn, they can dream. And that is exactly what we are here for, to give every one of these kids a real chance at the life God designed for them. This is where you come in. The renovation of this kitchen is more than just a construction project. It's an act of love for children thousands of miles away who will never know your name, but whose lives will be shaped by your generosity. We are already 1/3 of the way there with $20,000 raised of our $60,000 goal. Would you consider giving today? Every gift of any size moves us closer to a kitchen that feeds not just bodies, but the next generation of leaders, believers, and change makers in Thailand. In Jeremiah chapter 29, verse 11, God said, "For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." We believe that promise is for every child here. Help us feed that future. Give today at wearehis.org. Hope International Schools, bringing the hope of Christ through education.